We will study about refraction. When the light is traveling from one medium to another medium, that is from air to water, so the path of the light changes. As you can see, arrow I have made, the path of the light changes. So the reason for changing of the path of light is, as the arrow is bent here, is the speed of light. So the speed of light varies according to the medium. Here gaseous medium was there, here liquid medium was there. So the speed of the light varies, so there is bending of light, and this phenomena is called as refraction. Now here we have two cases. Two cases happen. As you can see, when the light is passing from one medium to other, the path will change. So we can have two cases. When the light is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, okay, then the light will bend towards the normal. And when the light is passing from denser to rarer medium, then the light will bend away from the normal. तब हमारी लाइट नॉर्मल से अवे बेंड करेगी. Denser or rarer meaning I think you know properly. So this depends on the type of medium. It is denser or rarer, then it will bend towards the normal or it will bend away from the normal. Now we will come on the laws of refraction. We have already studied of reflection laws. Now refraction laws. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal ray to the interference of two medium always lies on the same plane. As you can see here, IR and RR both lie on the same plane. That is law of refraction number 1. Then number 2 law of refraction. And second law है sin angle of incident and sin angle of reflection का ratio हमेशा constant रहेगा. It means sin I upon sin R is always equals to constant. You can see the reference is also written. I refers to angle of incidence, R refers to angle of refraction. And this law is also called as Snell's law of refraction. As you can see, और यहाँ पे जो हमको constant मिल रहा है, that will be called as refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Now refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2 का ratio. मतलब जो refractive index है वो क्या है? Speed of light in medium 1, speed of light in medium 2 का ratio. और अगर हम medium 1 को air मानते हैं, okay, here, then the refractive index we will get, that will be called as absolute refractive index. So here is the formula. It is written in your textbook also, 1007. So जब हम medium 1 को air मानेंगे, whatever refractive index we will calculate, it will be called as absolute refractive index. That is the speed of light in the air by speed of light in the medium. So you need to learn for some refractive index of some materials, for example air, then water, then glass, okay. More the refractive index, less will be the speed of light. मतलब refractive index अगर बढ़ता जाएगा तो हमारी speed of light कम होती जाएगी. So refractive index of a medium is inversely proportional to the speed of light in medium. So more the refractive index, less the speed of light. If I ask you, light will travel faster in which medium? Water or glass? So if you remember the number of water and the glass, then we will come to the conclusion that light will travel faster in water. The reason behind this is the refractive index is low as compared to glass. But if I ask you about alcohol and ice, then you will say about the ice because the refractive index is less. Here you can read the definition also of refractive index, and then you can solve the numericals. So that is now for children. Thank you. Have a nice day.